Hello and welcome back to Scorpion Redpower. I'm Oliver and today you join me with this, the Audi S4 B8.5. Right now we're showcasing our brand new 2.5-inch twin Predator system. This fits both the B8 and B8.5 models and is exclusive to the US market. Our Predator system deletes the rear boxes for all-out noise, but this isn't for the faint of heart. Drivers can specify their system as non-valve for non-stop sweet sound. Alternatively, we're offering a twin valve option, which uses our bespoke controller kit. This is an easy-to-install plug-and-play kit, providing on-demand acoustics at the click of a button. This upgrade can also be made at a later date thanks to our modular, interchangeable system design. When it comes to styling, we've got you covered. You can choose from a range of 100mm trims, whether that be polished Daytona, black ceramic Daytona, or carbon Ascari. For those of you going down the tuning route, listen up. We also have available our 2.5-inch 200-cell high-flow sports catalytic downpipes with front flex section. Okay, so that's enough talking for now. Let's hit the road. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe and check out the link in the description for more information and to order your system, and we'll see you next time.